Hi everyone, this is Heather Lawton from the Flourish.Academy. This is episode 421, and first of all, you can relax. I'm not actually calling you an idiot. You understand that when I say things like that, I use hyperbole when I speak, but I do have, I think, a fairly obvious productivity tip today. But first, I wanted to let you know that for the next week and a half through Sunday, December 9th at the Flourish.Academy, we are going to be focused on productivity and efficiency and motivation and making the most of your time and feeling good about it. So check back often for videos in that regard. Okay, so I have a real question for you guys. I see a lot of you staying up really late to edit sessions. So you have a lot of sessions. You've taken on a lot of sessions. You have to edit them. They obviously need to be done in a timely fashion for the holidays. But this quick productivity tip is in the form of a question. Why would you take on more sessions than you can handle? I'm actually really curious about this. If you are staying up really late, way past your normal bedtime to edit sessions, then you have taken on more than you can handle. And my question is why? What is the reason for doing that? I know that when I was super busy and I took on more sessions than I could handle, it was for two reasons. Number one was I figured, okay, well, I had to make hay when the sun shines, right? Our season is condensed, and when winter hits, we don't have a ton of sessions, which means we're not producing income. So I would always think, well, I could photograph all these sessions in October, November, and that way when I'm not shooting January through March, it's okay. So that was one of my reasons, was I thought you have to make hay when the sun shines. And the second was I just didn't know my limits. I didn't know my number. So my tip for you is to figure out how many sessions can you honestly take on per week, per month. I need a number, and I need it in the comments. Because if you're staying up to 1 and 2 a.m. to edit, you've taken on too many. Now, there are a couple of ways to fix that. Number one is the easy way, which is pricing. Increase the prices. You don't get as many clients. You get them done in a more timely fashion, and you're not out of your mind. But conversely, you would also have to figure out what makes you tick. And the key here is know thyself. How many sessions can I honestly take on before I cross the line into absolute insanity? You need to know that number so you can set that limit. So for me, back in the day, it was 30 weddings. If I took, first of all, I think 30 was a little too many, but I certainly couldn't take any more than that. And I started to learn my own limits. And then if I took family sessions or mini type sessions in the fall, then I couldn't handle all those weddings and those family sessions. What is your number? Could you leave a comment below and let me know? I'm truly curious. Why have you taken on more than you can handle that's causing you all of this stress to keep you up late at night? Why do you think you're doing that to yourself? There has to be a reason. And then what is your number? Leave a comment. I'm really curious and I want to know these answers. I'll see you in the next video.